Hello everyone, this is Ida, and in this video I will show you how to pair the remote control with the receiver and how to change the volume. Okay, first I will power it on. This is the self-checking. After checking, it will work. It is in the working condition. So first, I will show you how to pair the remote control with the receiver so that we can set the receiver with this remote control. And we need to set it to the function 2 and long press this key. You can see that. Long press this set key.
Number registration.
And up to
Remote control registration.
remote control. We will short press that. And then press any keys on this remote control.
Successfully registration.
It has been successful, so we can set the receiver using this key. I will it back.
Remote control registration.
Yeah, and how to change the volume? You can see that the receivers has the lowest volume, so we can change it to the lower. I will.
Prompt music. Volume.
This is for the volume setting, so I will press this key, setting key.
Welcome to use calling system.
This is the 6th level, and I will show you how to. This is the down.
Welcome to use calling system.
5th level.
Welcome to use calling system. Welcome to use calling. Welcome to use calling. Welcome to use calling. Welcome to use calling system.
So the lowest volume is 6th level, so you can choose it by yourself.
Welcome to use calling. Welcome to use calling.
After we set it, we can short press the set key.
Successfully.
This is a successful setting. So